You're a soldier. What's the primary purpose of an army?
War.
Where's Barry?
He went back to Central City. Wanted to get home in time to see them turn on the particle accelerator. I should take this. Hi.
Hey, I was late as usual. If you ever decide that Oliver Queen isn't the guy for you, if you decide that you want to go on a date with someone else, you should know that guy, he'll be on time.
Good to know.
Oh, hey, and I left something for Oliver. Hope he likes it.
I'm Linda Park, and we're live outside Star Labs despite the inclement weather, which is only going to get worse. Wait, we are now being told to evacuate the facility. The storm may have caused a malfunction of the primary cooling system.
Even the arrow deserves a Christmas present.
Here.
How do I look?
Like a hero.